I've tried to make slushies with anything I can think of. I've done soda, I've done juice from concentrate, I've done sugar-free drinks where I added in the sugar after the fact, I've done fake juices, and I even tried some ice cream from an ice cream mix just to see how well this slushy machine would work for everything. And before I talk about the results, let me kind of walk you through how this works. So the slushy machine has a cylinder that when you turn it on, it gets really cold and it freezes the surrounding liquid. It also has this plastic thing that keeps things turning, and that's what turns everything into a slushy. The plastic compartment where you put in the liquid, that can come off completely so you can wash everything so you don't have to worry about things getting dirty. And it has a display that clearly lists everything you may want to do. So with just a touch of a button, or you can even customize the temperature, you can make it just about anything you want. Now this was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. I've tried another slushy machine, and the thing I noticed with this slushy machine is, for one, it gets colder faster, which is great. I did an experiment where I put in a sugar drink and within 10 minutes it was already a slushy. It gets cold fast. So that is exactly what you want with a slushy machine like this. If you're going to have a party or you just want a quick, nice, refreshing drink, this is about the fastest way you can get it. The other thing that's nice about this that might be different from other slushy machines is the dispenser has kind of like this pull tab. So you pull it out and everything comes rushing down. This is a nice way to pour things out. It also helps keep things nice and clean. So my experience with this has been fantastic. When you do soda, it's great. You just pour in the soda, let it do its thing, and it's just kind of like a Slurpee that you would get from 7-Eleven. I tried frozen juice concentrate, and I think you have to have a lower temperature for this to work. And in fact, when I turned it on, it didn't really get the results I wanted. But the nice thing about this is you can adjust it manually. So I just turned down the temperature, and then it got to a point where it was a perfect slushy. I also tried this with some diet drinks where I would manually add in the sugar, and that worked great as well. And I have a mix for soft serve ice cream. And to be clear, this slushy machine doesn't claim to do ice cream or soft serve or anything like that. I just wanted to try it out and see how it would go. And it turned out all right. It had the taste of soft serve ice cream, but it seemed kind of a little bit more airy and not as creamy as I would hope or expect. I'm not really sure what the process is for soft serve ice cream. For slushies, amazing. For ice cream, it's just okay. All in all, this is one of my family's new favorite toys. We've probably had this on just about every single day since I've got it. We need to kind of lay off of it, but it's so much fun. It's so nice, especially in the summer months where it's hot. It's just a nice, refreshing thing. And again, this gets cold really fast. So you can come in the house, pour in a soda, and 10 minutes later, you can enjoy a nice slushy. This is really impressive. I love the display on this. I like how easy it is to clean. I like that it's customizable, super simple, really nice slushy machine.